this video is the continuation of the previous video. Okay. Then the fourth question is, if vector u is equal to I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap and vector v is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap, then mod vector u cross vector v square plus modulus of vector u dot vector v square is equal to dash. Okay, then we have to find this term. So first we find vector u cross vector v. That is, vector u cross vector v is equal to, we know that cross product is the determinant of the coefficients. That is, determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. First we write the coefficients of vector u. That is, the coefficient of I cap is 1 and vector j is minus 3 and 2. Okay, then we write the coefficients of vector v. That is 2, 4, minus 5. It is equal to find the determinant, first I cap times, first we remove the row and column of I cap, then we get minus 3 times minus 5, that is positive 15, minus 4 times 2, that is 8, minus j cap times, here we remove the row and column of j cap, then we get 1 times minus 5 is minus 5, minus 2 times 2 is 4, plus k cap times, here we also remove the row and column of k cap, then we get 1 times 4 is 4, minus 3 times 2 is 6, minus 6, is equal to 15 minus 8, that is 7. Then 7 I cap, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9, then minus of minus 9 is plus 9, plus positive 9 j cap, for minus minus 6 is for plus 6, that is 10, 10 k cap plus 10 k cap. Okay. Now we have to find its modulus, that is modulus of vector u cross vector v is equal to, modulus is the square root of sum of squares of the coefficients, that is root of 7 square plus 9 square plus 10 square, which is equal to root of 49 plus 81 plus 100. It is equal to root 230. Okay, then now we have to find vector u dot vector v. Then vector u dot vector v is equal to I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot okay, this is equal to, in dot product, it is the product of the coefficients of same terms. That is, here the coefficient of I cap is 1 and here it is 2, then 1 times 2 is 2, and here the coefficient of j cap is minus 3 and here it is 4, then minus 3 times 4 is minus 12, here the coefficient of k cap is 2 and here it is minus 5, then minus 10 is equal to minus 20. Now we have to find this term, that is modulus of vector u cross vector v square okay. Now we know that modulus of vector u dot vector v is equal to root 230, that is root 230 square plus, we had to find modulus of vector u dot vector v, that's equal to modulus of minus 20 square, is equal to root of 230 square is 230 plus, and we know that modulus of a negative number is positive, that is modulus of minus 20 is equal to 20, then 20 square is 400. is equal to 630, which is the answer. Now we are going to next problem. The fifth question is the projection of the line segment joining the points 1, -1, 3 and 2, -4, 11 on the line joining the points -1, 2, 3 and 3, -2, 10 is dash. First we are going to give a name on each of these points. That is, let A be the point 1, -1, 3, B be the point 2, -4, 11, C be the point -1, 2, 3 and D is the point 3, -2, 10. Okay. First we are going to find the line segment joining vector AB. That is, vector AB is equal to, we know that vector AB is equal to 2, -1, 2, -1 I cap plus next -4 -1, -4 -1 j cap plus 11 -3 k cap. Because vector AB can be determined by the component of B minus component of A. Okay, that's equal to 2 -1 is 1, 1 I cap, that is I cap, -4 -1, that is -4 plus 1, which is equal to -3 j cap plus 11 -3 is 8, then 8 k cap. Okay. Now we have to find the line segment joining vector CD. Vector CD is equal to, here also vector CD can be determined by the points of the component of D minus the component points of C. Is equal to 3 -1 I cap plus -2 j cap plus 10 -3 k cap is equal to 3 -1 is 4 I cap plus -2 is -4, then -4 j cap plus 10 -3 is 7 k cap. Okay. Now let vector AB be vector A and vector CD be vector B. Now we have to find the projection of vector AB on vector CD. That is, we have to find the projection of vector A on vector B. That is, projection of vector A on vector B is equal to vector A dot B cap, or it is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by mod vector B. So first we have to find vector A dot vector B. It is equal to we know that in dot product is the product of coefficients of same terms. That is, here the coefficient of I cap is 1 and here it is 4, then 1 times 4 is 4, and here the coefficient of j cap is -3 and here it is -4, then -4 times -4 is +12. Here the coefficient of k cap is 8 and here it is 7, then 8 times 7 is equal to 56. It is equal to 72. Okay. Now we have to find mod vector B. Mod vector B is equal to, okay, root of 4 square plus minus 4 square plus 7 square, which is equal to root of 16 plus 16 plus 49, which is equal to root of 81, which is equal to 9. Okay, therefore projection of vector A on vector B is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by mod vector B. Vector A dot vector B is 72. 72 divided by mod vector B is 9. 9, which is equal to 8. Now we are going to do next problem. Now the sixth question is, if vector A and vector B are two vectors such that mod vector A plus vector B is equal to root 29 and vector A cross 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap cross vector B, then a possible value of vector A plus vector B dot minus 7i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap is A 0, B 3, C 4 and D 8. That is, we can choose one of these answers. Okay. Then first we have vector A cross 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap cross vector B. First we write it. First we have vector A cross 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap cross vector B. Okay. We bring this term into this side, then this positive term will be negative and this side will be 0. That is minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap cross vector B. Okay. Also we know that cross product is not commutative. That is, vector A cross vector B is equal to minus vector B cross vector A. Okay. Then it implies then minus, we write this in reverse order, these terms in reverse order, then we get then there will be a negative sign, that is negative vector B cross 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, by using this result. Okay, then this negative and negative will be positive, which implies, okay, which is equal to 0. Okay, then this term, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap is common in these two terms. Then we take it in outside, we get 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap into, if we take this term in, to outside, then there will be vector A. Then vector A plus, in this term the remaining part is vector B equal to 0 cross. Okay, we know that two vectors, the cross product of two vectors is equal to 0 if and only if they are parallel. So by that result we can say that these two vectors are parallel, that is, which implies 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and vector A plus vector B are parallel. Okay, if two vectors are parallel, then one vector can be written as the scalar product of another vector. Here we return vector A plus vector B as the scalar product of 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. That is, which implies vector A plus vector B is equal to lambda into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, that's equation number 1. Okay, now we are taking modulus on both sides. We get modulus of vector A plus vector B equal to modulus of lambda into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, which implies modulus of vector A plus vector B is equal to, we have a result, modulus of lambda vector A equal to lambda into modulus of vector A. Using this result, we get lambda into modulus of 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, which implies modulus of vector A plus vector B is equal to lambda into plus or minus root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, which implies then we also have modulus of vector A plus vector B is equal to root 29. Okay, then root 29 is equal to lambda into plus or minus root 29. Okay, lambda times plus or minus root 29. Okay, then we take plus or minus root 29 into this side, that will be divided by plus or minus root 29. Then we get root 20, lambda is equal to, this side will be lambda. Lambda is equal to root 29 divided by plus or minus root 29, which is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, from equation 1, which implies vector A plus vector B is equal to plus or minus 1 into 1 times 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, that is plus or minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, now we have to find vector A plus vector B dot minus 7i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Therefore, vector A plus vector B dot minus 7i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, it is equal to, we find vector A plus vector B, which is equal to plus or minus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap dot minus 7i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, it is equal to plus or minus 2i cap dot 7i cap, that is 2 times minus 7 is minus 14, 3j cap dot 2j cap, that is 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6, 4k cap dot 3k cap, that is 4 times 3 is 12. That's equal to plus or minus minus 14 plus 6 plus 12, that is 4, that is plus or minus 4. Okay, then we have the result plus or minus 4, but here is only 4 options, there is no minus 4, therefore our answer is C, 4, that is answer C, 4. Okay, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഞാനിടുന്ന പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക.